Ever found yourself frustrated by your Canon Eos 250d cutting out mid-shot when you're trying to capture that perfect moment? The backbone of extended recording is, of course, your battery. Always start with a fully charged, genuine Canon battery, or a reputable third-party equivalent, and if you're serious, having a couple of spares charged and ready to go is an absolute must. Next, let's talk about camera settings. While 4K looks amazing, it's a huge power drain and fills up your card faster for longer shoots. Consider dropping your movie recording size down to full HD or even HD. You'll significantly extend your recording time without a major sacrifice in quality for many uses. Memory card speed and capacity play a surprisingly large role. A high-speed, larger capacity SD card, ideally a V30 or higher, ensures your camera can write data quickly and efficiently, preventing bottlenecks that can stop recording prematurely. To conserve precious battery life, delve into your camera's power-saving options. Extend the auto power-off time to a longer duration, or even disable it if you're actively monitoring the shot. This prevents the camera from shutting down unnecessarily between takes. Another quick win for battery conservation is to dim your LCD screen brightness. While bright screens are great for reviewing, a slightly lower setting can save a surprising amount of power during extended recording sessions. By optimizing your battery management, fine-tuning your camera settings, and choosing the right memory card, you can dramatically extend your Canon Eos 250d's recording capabilities, capturing more footage without interruption. Maximize your video potential.